Talking about IndiaMart listing and how to optimize IndiaMart listing. Basically, how to do well SEO in IndiaMart listing. Most of you that you'll be having a IndiaMart listing subscription, where I have seen when I was there in IndiaMart, I was working. So I seen a lot of people were complaining of not getting leads, proper, product listings were not managed. Maybe they have the team who knows about the digital marketing, or they himself they are trying to, you know, do something in their listing because they don't have exact knowledge how to optimize it, how to get it done. Because see, what is the importance of having your own website and having your IndiaMart, Jazelle, or Suleka and other channel partners subscription, and where you have the profile. So on internet, if you have the listings which should be optimized, like there are well maintained content, the content which should be unique, and which are the keywords, which are the product is searched by the buyers. It should be, you know uh, like it should be mannered in your listing, where I didn't found that it happened in your listing. So that is what the motto today, to just give you a little insight how you can optimize well if you have the IndiaMart listing. If you don't have, then you can be you know you can have the idea how to do that. So let's see first what I'm talking about. So if I'll be let's go to Google. Sorry, let's go to Google and search for surgical mask manufacturing machine, which is normally now in COVID time, where surgical mask is in high demand. So I just thought of making a video of particular this keyword. So let's suppose anybody is searching. So what happens that if you will be searching like this, surgical mask. So here you can see these are the keywords are suggested by Google. So when you are trying to optimize your product or the listing, you have to take out your pen or copy or the notebook, where you can take these suggestion into your notes, and how you can optimize your listing wherever it is, whether it is your own website or blog or a product listing or Amazon listing, wherever it should be well optimized. Means the keywords which is searched by buyers, it should be there. Let's see this one, surgical mask manufacturing machine. When I search for that, sorry, so when I search for that, so you can see over here there are a lot of ads are running. These are the AD, this is the ad word, and below that you can see over here there is a listing which is on top. Both are from IndiaMart, right? And once you will see this one, dir.indiamart impact face mask machine. Okay, so these are the two listings. When I open this one, the first one, when I open this, so you can see that this is the directory which opens, where all the listings in all India page, where the all the listings you can see. Another page which I opened, which is here, surgical mask making machine at 115 triple zero. So this is the direct listing. Somebody is listing. You understand this? This is somebody's. Let's suppose my company, if I am running, somebody who is running this Orchid Enterprise from Coimbatore, he has taken out this product. You know that this is the product which is exactly is searches by buyers, and he has put this headline. So if you are putting your product name as a headline, which it counts as a SEO perspective the headline which is H1. So H1, if you are putting here, which is searched, that the keyword, exact keyword, if you are putting here, after that in the subheading, which is the description, you can say here, if you are putting the same thing again, you have to repeat this keyword in your description. So if you can see here how many times it has been repeated, see here. I'll just copy, control F and control V. So 1, 2, 3 means 2 times he has mentioned in his description. So somebody, if he is going to optimize in his listing maybe 3 times, and he has a better content rather than this guy, if he has better content, maybe the chances of his listing can be optimized and can be directly come into Google. So this is the advantage what he is getting. Maybe direct customer who comes to the Google, and directly he clicks on this listing, directly he will click on that and he will land up to here, and he will directly call from here. So he is getting the advantage just because he has optimized his listing well mannered, where he has taken out the buyer centric keywords. So this is what I am trying to say here. The topic is today for that, India market listing or SEO techniques. Today I am going to share with you. So you have to research for first the research buyer centric keywords. Buyer centric keywords, what exactly, what I have shown you, that when people are trying to search, these are the keywords where, when Google is suggesting, means these are the keywords in demand, and you have to utilize this in your anywhere, whether it is your listing, India Mart listing, or wherever. You have to utilize this, and you have to utilize it in your uh, heading. Most of the time, or the first priority in on page optimization is to do a well optimized website or the listing, to have a H1 tag, and then the in the description in H2, there again the keyword has to be mentioned. Then you can optimize your listing in a well manner. So here you can see, this is what he is getting the advantage. The same way, the same fashion you can do as well, and get your listing optimized. The third way how you can do that, uh, see, let's suppose the face mask machine, you can come here and search for that, and you can see over here, these are the categories, these are the keywords over here. These are the keywords basically searched by a buyer in India Mart. So directly India Mart has taken out, these are the keywords. If it is related to your product, definitely take out these keywords and add as a same product. Add as a same product. Ultrasonic sealing machine, add as a same product, and then again mention in the description. So what will happen, like if you are doing so these activities, definitely your listing will be optimized well, and organically also you can be recognized in Google, as this listing is recognized, and somebody is trying to search for that, and he's getting land up here. So anyhow he is getting the advantage. The calls will be generated, the inquiries, directly inquiry will be generated. So same fashion you have to do it. So remember that the heading, then after in description you have to mention these keywords, and the keywords, if you have the images, multiple images, go and optimize your images as well. When you are trying to save the image on your desktop or the Mac or whatever you are using the machine, save as the same keyword with the same keywords. When you are trying to upload, so it could be in backend. There is a from the backend the image alt tag, so it can be optimized as well. So do that activity, definitely you will be having a great listing. So I hope this is the right information I have given you. And if you are having any problem managing your listing, or SEO, related SEO, anything you want to know, that feel free to contact me. I would like to help you. Thank you.